Hi friends, welcome back to Sarvotam Knowledge Bites. The income tax filing deadline is almost here, and every year lakhs of people make small mistakes while filing their ITR. These mistakes can delay your refund, attract penalties, or even invite notices from the tax department. In this video, I'll share 5 common mistakes people make while filing ITR and of course how you can avoid them. So watch till the end because avoiding even one mistake can save you money and stress. First and most common mistake, choosing the wrong ITR form. The income tax department has different forms for different type of taxpayers. For example, the ITR 1, which is also known as Sahaj, is the form for salaried individuals with income up to 50 lakhs plus income from one house property and other sources like interest. Coming to ITR 2, this is for individuals and Hindu undivided families not having income from business or profession. Coming to ITR 3, this is for individuals with business or professional income. Coming to ITR number 4, which is also known as Sugam, this is for presumptive income from business or profession. Now imagine a salaried employee with some stock trading income files ITR 1 instead of ITR 2. What happens? The return gets rejected or marked defective. That means wasted time and possible penalties. So the tip here is always use the ITR filing wizard on the official portal. It asks you simple questions and suggests the correct form automatically. Second mistake, not matching your Form 16 with AIS and 26AS. So Form 16 is given by your employer, but AIS, that is Annual Information Statement, and Form 26AS are records that the government already has. They show your income, TDS and high value transactions. So if your income or TDS doesn't match across these, you may get a notice later. So tip here is, before filing, download AIS and 26AS from the income tax portal. Cross-check your salary, bank interest and TDS with your Form 16. Filing with mismatched data is like inviting trouble. Mistake number 3, ignoring small incomes. Many people think, why declare rupees 500 interest from saving account or a small FD interest? But remember, the IT department already has this information from your banks. Even a small freelance earning or side hustles need to be declared. So tip here is, it is better to report everything, even exempt income. Being transparent keeps your ITR clean and reduces chances of getting a notice later. Fourth mistake, missing deductions and exemptions. Did you know you can reduce your taxable income using deductions under various sections? For example, 80C, that covers your investment in PPF, VLSS, LIC, etc. up to 1.5 lakh. Then 80D, that covers your health insurance premium. 80E, that covers your education loan interest. Apart from that, HRA, which is like house rent allowance, home loan interest, which is separately deductible under section 24B. So many people forget to claim these and end up paying higher tax. So the tip here is, collect all proofs before filing: insurance receipts, rent receipts, investment proof, and enter them correctly. It's literally your right to save tax legally. And finally, mistake number 5, forgetting e-verification. Many people think filing is done once you hit submit. But unless you e-verify, your ITR is incomplete. And if you don't verify within 30 days, your return is invalid. So tip here is, e-verification is simple. You can do it instantly using Aadhaar OTP, net banking, Demat account or even your bank account. Don't skip this last step. So those were the 5 common mistakes you must avoid while filing your ITR. Number 1, choosing the wrong form. Number 2, not matching Form 16 with AIS and 26AS. Number 3, ignoring small incomes. Number 4, missing out on deductions. Number 5, forgetting e-verification. Avoid these and your ITR filing will be smooth, stress-free, and you will even get refunds faster. If this video helped you, do give it a like, share it with your friends before the deadline, and subscribe to Sarvottam Knowledge Bites for more bite-sized wisdom on finance and life. See you in the next video. Signing off.